Hello, dear Aries. Welcome to your weekly horoscope starting on August 12th, 2024. Let's see what the stars have in store for you. Monday to Tuesday. The week begins with a surge of energy and determination. Use these days to tackle important projects and actively pursue your goals. Your drive will help you make significant progress. Wednesday to Thursday. Your leadership skills are particularly strong. This is the perfect time to take on responsibility and inspire others. Use your natural authority to bring about positive change and advance your plans. Friday to Sunday. The weekend brings relaxation and joy. Spend time with your loved ones, plan leisure activities, and enjoy the beautiful moments of life. Leave the stress of the week behind and recharge your energy. Tip of the week: be open to spontaneous adventures. This week offers you the opportunity to gain new experiences and step out of your comfort zone. Be brave and follow your instincts. That was your weekly horoscope, dear Aries. Let the stars guide you and have a wonderful week full of energy, leadership, and relaxation. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to not miss any new horoscopes. See you next time!